So I got a bit of a problem in my house. We keep buying water bottles, coffee mugs, and they grow legs, they walk away. They're about 20 bucks each.
What's up, Buttercup?
So we're gonna try and make a DIY silicone wrap that you can put hot and cold drinks in. Canning jars are great because they're glass. They don't leach chemicals into your body or anything.
For the canning jar Koozie, there's basically 3 ingredients: cornstarch, tube of silicone, and the super ingredient, which is food coloring. So if you don't have that liquid in there, apparently it doesn't all come together as the paste you want it.
It's kind of coming together. Kids can do this project as well because there's nothing toxic in it.
We were just adding a little bit here and there. It's a lot like making bread dough.
That seems to be about right. Kneaded it into almost like a dough and then rolled it out.
We should invest in a rolling pin.
Into a nice flat sheet. Then we rolled up a canning jar, pressed the edges.
How much were those water balls again?
I can see why water balls are so expensive now. All right, I think we're done. Let it dry for 5 or 6 hours. I think we're good. And then we tested it out to see how it performed. Do the heat test, so you can hold theirs longest. 1. Ouch.
Forget about that.
No problem. Can't even feel it.
That worked.
It's an insulator. We've proven that.
So the testing process for the canning jar Koozie was pretty intense. 1, 2, 3, drop. We broke the ground. Wow. Why don't we put the slate on the floor and stand on the table? On your mark, get set, go.
Oh my goodness.
What do you have to do to break one of these things?
We did some testing and they both survived. They broke a piece of slate that we were actually dropping on.
What if we drop it on concrete? Our front step.
We go. Then we went outside and tried it on the concrete step.
This feels wrong.
It does.
On your mark, get set, go.
Kevin smashed into smithereens. Mine was fine.
Success.
Clean it up. I'll see you inside. Hey, come on now.
I think they're really tough by themselves, and then you add a little layer of insulation to them, and you make them super tough.
They're really cheap, easy to make. It'll keep a hot drink hot, keep a cold drink cold, and it'll keep your canning jar from breaking.